This is the only integration formula. If you thorough, you can solve the problem. What is integration of 1 by ax plus b? My dear students, you can stop here. They'll give marks. If you further simplify, answer will be in standard form. So all this process you have done in partial fractions. How to find b? Here integration is simple. Integration of 1 by ax plus b is 1 by quotient of x. Quotient of x is 2. At a time equate one factor to 0. The first factor x is there. Equate x to 0. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, we are going ahead with the numericals of the exercise, but they are most important for your board exam. I can say they are the compulsory questions for your board exams. That is integration by partial fractions. Integrations by partial fractions, they are exercise 20.5, and here one basic formula before I start, you should be thorough with. Integration of 1 divided by ax plus b dx is answer is 1 by quotient of x. What is quotient of x? A. Log of denominator. What is log of denominator? Log of ax plus b plus c. This is the only integration formula. If you thorough, you can solve the problem. What is integration of 1 by ax plus b? 1 by a log of ax plus b. Now answer my question. What is integration of 1 by 3x plus 4 dx? It will become 1 by quotient of x. What is quotient of x? 3 log of denominator, log of 3x plus 4 plus c. Or if I have integration of 1 by x minus 2 dx. So quotient of x is 1. 1 by 1 you no need to write, directly log of x minus 2. So this is the formula you should know. Then we can integrate. Remaining is whatever you learnt in chapter 1. What is that? Partial fraction. Sorry, whatever you have learnt in partial fraction, that is more than sufficient to solve the remaining. So now before I start with this, so I am repeating, integration of 1 by ax plus b dx is what? 1 by a log of ax plus b. 1 by quotient of x into log of denominator. And to reduce the problem to standard form, you should be thorough with partial fractions. So now they want you to integrate 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1. I will take 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Can I write this as a divided by first factor? What is the first factor? X minus 1 plus b divided by second factor. What is the second factor? X plus 2. So call it as equation 1. So now I wrote the given problem as a by first factor plus b by second factor. So this is partial fraction method. We are not integrating. First we are simplifying the given question. Now to find a and b, take LCM. So here it will be 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 can be written as a into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. As usual, like in partial fraction, so denominators are same, I can cancel. Now equate the numerator and call this as equation 2. What is the numerator? 4x plus 5. Here what is the numerator? A into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Call it as equation 2. So now in order to find a and b, at a time equate one factor to 0. I will take first factor. What is first factor? X minus 1. So I will take x minus 1 equal to 0. So that implies x is equal to what? 1. So put x is equal to 1 in what? Equation 2. Wherever x is there, put 1. So it will become 4 into 1 plus 5 is equal to a into, in the place of x put what? 1. So it will become 1 plus 2 plus b into x is what? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Here x minus 1 you took 0. So you can drop this, or if you do the, you will get same. So now 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. A into 3. And this whole thing becomes b into 0 is 0. So now from this you can get a. So we have 9 is equal to 3a, or a into 3, or a is equal to 9 divided by 3. So if you simplify, 3 ones are 3 3s are, so you got a value. What is a value? 3. And this thing you have already learnt in the chapter partial fractions. So now first factor, that is x minus 1, I took 0 and I got x. So now I will take second factor. What is the second factor? X plus 2. So take x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? Minus 2. Now put x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. If you do that, So equation 2, this is equation 2, wherever x is there put minus 2, because we equated that 4 into minus 2 plus 5 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2, or you can drop this b into, in the place of x, minus 2 minus 1. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 5 is equal to, this is a into 0 plus b into minus 3, that is minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3 is equal to b into minus 3, or b is equal to what, minus 3 by minus 3. So you will get b is equal to 1. So by partial fraction method you got a and b. What is your a value? A here we have a, we got the value of a, that is minus 3, and we got the value of b 1. Now substitute a and b in equation 1. So now equation 1, that is equation 1 implies, what was equation 1? 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by, so here a by x minus 1, what is a? 3 by x minus 1, 3 by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2, what is b? 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 2. See, now this was given, and now integrate both sides. Now integrate both sides. Integrating both the sides, LHS becomes integration of 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 dx. RHS, each term integrate, integration of 3 divided by x minus 1 dx plus integration of 1 divided by x plus 2 dx. So now LHS is the given question, integration of 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 dx is equal to, in RHS 3 is constant, take it out, integration of, we are left out with 1 by x minus 1 dx plus integration of 1 divided by x plus 2 dx. Now integrate this, so it will become 3 times log of x minus 1 plus log of x plus 2 plus c. Now this is 3 times, m log a. What is m log a? Log a power m. So this 3 I can take log of x minus 1 whole cube plus log of x plus 2 plus c. Further log a plus log b. Log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. I can write log of x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 2 plus c. My dear students, you can stop here, they will give marks. If you further simplify, answer will be in standard form. It is not necessary to write this. Till this part you can integrate and leave it. So you can see, first we found out a and b. A is 3 and b is 1, and we substituted a b. Then we integrate. Integration of 1 by x minus 1 is log of x minus 1, and b is constant, take it out. Integration of 1 by x plus 2 is log of x plus 2. Integration is simple. 90%, see, till this part it is partial fraction, 80% is partial fraction. Then integrating, 3 is constant, and integration is one step. Integration of 1 by x minus 1 is log of denominator. Integration of 1 by x plus 2 is log of denominator, log of x plus 2 plus c. That's it. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ, 80% ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, here again they gave 3x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. You can write this as what? A by first factor. What is the first factor? 2x plus 3 plus b by second factor. What is the second factor? 3x minus 1. So call this as equation 1. Now as usual, take LCM. So we'll have 3x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1 is equal to a into 3x minus 1 plus b into 2x plus 3 whole thing, 2x plus 3, sorry, whole thing divided by 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. So I can cancel the denominators, I can equate the numerators. If you equate numerators, we'll have 3x plus 2 is equal to a into 3x minus 1 plus b into 2x plus 3, call it as equation 2. Now do the substitution. At a time equate one factor to 0. Here one factor is 2x plus 3, equate it to 0. So put 2x plus 3 to 0, means I am taking this factor 0. So that implies what is x? Transfer 3 to that side, it will become minus 3. So 2x is minus 3, or x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Put x is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2 in equation 2. So in the place of x, if you put minus 3 by 2, LHS becomes 3 into minus 3 by 2 plus 2 a into 3 into minus 3 by 2 minus 1 plus b into 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So that is, you can simplify this further, or so reduce the length. So we will not take so many steps. So here please understand, we are equating this factor to 0. So observe Madi, we are equating 2x plus 3 to 0, means this factor. So don't take this, directly you can substitute in this. So if you substitute in this, it will become 3 into minus 3 by 2 plus 2 is equal to a into 3 into minus 3 by 2 minus 1. And I am not taking this because here if I put excess minus 3 by 2, 2 cancels, it becomes 0, and don't waste your time. So now minus 9 by 2 plus 1, after simplification it will become minus 9 by 2 plus LHS is 2 is equal to minus 9 by 2 minus 1 a into minus 9 by 2 minus 1. Further simplification becomes 2 minus 9 plus 4. If you take LCM, 2 to the 4, minus 9 plus 4 is minus 4. A into, again if you take LCM 2, minus 11 by 2, 2 cancels, and you will get a is equal to minus minus also cancels, 5 by 11. You got a. Similarly, now you should find b. So all this process you have done in partial fractions. How to find b? Now you need to find b. How to find b? So now I equated the first factor 2x plus 3 to 0. Now I will equate 3x minus 1 to 0. So now put 3x minus 1 to 0. So x will become 1 by 3. So now put x is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 2. So then equation 2, that is 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2 is equal to, here 3x minus 1 you took 0. So drop this, don't take it, directly take this, b into 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3. Now simplify, 3 cancels, 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to b into, if you take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 2 plus 3 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 4, sorry 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 by 3, and simplify this, you will get b. From this I can write, so this implies b value is exactly 9 divided by 11. Now we got b. What is b? 9 by 11. You have a with you. What is a value we got? So here we got a 5 by 11, 11 by 3. So 2 ones are 2 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 is what? 11 by 3. So now rearrange, 3 3s have to become 9 by 11, one is 5 by 11, one is 9 by 11. Go to the given question. So now given question, what is the given question? 3x plus equation 1. So go to equation 1, equation 1 implies, that is given question here, 3x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 3, 3x minus 1. 3x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 3, 3x minus 1. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1 can be written as a by, what is a? What is a? 5 by 11 by 5 by 11 by first factor. What is the first factor? 2x plus 3. Then plus b by, what is b? B we got positive 9 by 3 here, 9 by 11 plus b 9 by 11 second factor 3x minus 1. Now integrate both sides, integrating both sides with respect to what? X. If I integrate both sides with respect to x, it will become integration of 3x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1 dx can be written as integration of 5 by 11 into 2x plus 3 dx plus 9 by 11 into 9 by 11 into 3x minus 1 dx. Now you can take the constant outside, that is equal to 5 by 11 is constant, take it out, integrate what, 1 by 2x plus 3 dx, and again we have 9 by 11 constant, take it out. So that's what we got, right? 5 by 11 and 9 by 11. 5 by 11 and 9 by 11 and 5 by 11, yes. So now simplify this, in 1 divided by this 3x minus 1 dx. Now you know 5 by 11 into integration of this is 1 by quotient of x, 1 by 2 log of 2x plus 3 plus 9 by 11 into 1 by 3 log of 3x minus 1 plus c. Now 5 by 11 is for this and this. Now simplify this, 5 ones are 5, 11 twos are 22 log of 2x plus 3. Similarly 9 ones are 9, 11 threes are 33 log of 3x minus 1 plus c. Further no need to simplify. Here integration is simple, integration of 1 by x plus b is 1 by quotient of x is 2 log of denominator. Here 1 by quotient of x is 3, so 9 by 11 into quotient of x is 1 by 3 into integration of this gives you log of this, simplify. So two problems we have done, 80% of the problem is partial fraction, only 20% is what, integration. So now we'll go to the third problem, we have three factors, again same, I'll take 1 divided by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. I can write it as a by first factor plus b by second factor plus c by third factor. Now as usual call it as equation 1. Now we should find ABC by partial fraction method. So 1 divided by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. If you take LCM, it will become, LCM is same, what is that, x into x plus 1 into x plus 2, and cross multiply a, x cancels, remaining 2, x plus 1 into what, x plus 2, b into x plus 1 cancels, it will become x into x plus 2, and c, denominator of c leave it, remaining 2 you take x into x plus 1. Now again after taking LCM, denominators will cancel, so equate the numerator and call it as equation 2. So 1 is equal to what we have, a into x plus 1 into x plus 2, b plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x into x plus 1, x into x plus 1, call it as equation 2. So now what we need to do, at a time equate one factor to 0, the first factor x is there, equate x to 0. So put x is equal to 0 in 1. So 1 here, a into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2. Dear students, if I put x as 0, 0 into anything becomes 0, x as 0, 0 into anything becomes 0. So only we will have a. From this you will get a. So a into 1, 2s are 2. So a is 1 by 2. You got a value. What is a value? Half. Now similarly equate second factor to 0. What is the second factor? X plus 1. Equate x plus 1 to 0. X will become minus 1. So put this. Put x is equal to what? Minus 1 in equation 2. I need to substitute this. So 1 is equal to, if I put x as minus 1, x plus, wherever x plus 1 is there, drop it. This will become 0, leave it. Last one will become 0, leave it. Take b. B is equal to x plus minus 1. Again minus 1 plus 2. You know 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into minus 1 is 1 minus 1. So it will become b into minus 1 or b is minus 1. You got a, b. Similarly, equate third factor. What is the third factor we have? X plus 2. So when you take x plus 2 as 0, x will become what? Minus 2. So put x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2, or wherever x plus 2 is there, drop it. Equation 2 LHS is 1. Here I have x plus 2, leave it. Here I have x plus 2, leave it. Directly take c. X is what? Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1. Simplify this. You know minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus becomes plus 2. So 1 is equal to 2 into c, or c is what? Half. So you got ABC. What is a value? Here half. What is b value? Minus 1. C value half. Half minus 1 half. And we will go to the problem. What is the given problem? So they gave a problem, that is equation 1. We will go to the equation 1. Equation 1 implies 1 divided by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 is given. We can write it as a by b by c by, and you got you got a b c. What is a? You got half divided by half by x plus b. What is b? B is what? Minus 1. So plus into minus 1. So minus 1 divided by second factor x plus 1 plus c. C is what? Again refer c. C is what? 1 by 2 again. C is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x plus 2. Now integrate both sides. Integrate both sides with respect to what? X. So LHS is integration of 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. This is a given problem. And this will become 1 by 2 is constant. I will take it out. Integration of 1 by x dx. Plus into minus is minus. Integration of I have 1 by x plus 1 dx. Each term integrate. Plus 1 by 2 is constant. Take it out. Integration of 1 by x plus 2 dx. Now simplify this. So that is RHS 1 by 2. Integration of 1 by x is log x minus log of x plus 1. Then plus 1 by 2 log of x plus 2. Plus c. You can leave it here, or you know m log a. So m log a can be written as log a per m log x per half minus log of x plus 1. Further simplification not necessary, but to write in standard form you can write it power half. M log a, power goes up, and you know further log x per half is log root x minus log of x plus 1 plus log of root of x plus 2 plus c. You know this log a minus log b can be written as log a b, and log a plus log b can be written as log a into b, and single term log a into b, root x into root of x plus 2 divided by x minus x plus 1 you can write plus c, or under single root log of root of x into x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 plus c. So my dear students, from here it is not necessary. If you leave it here, more than sufficient. This is a standard form of the answer, or you can leave it there. Next we have repeated factor. So you know how to evaluate repeated factor, and a by first factor plus b by x minus 2 the whole square plus c by third factor. Like that we have to do repeated factor, and we have to integrate. And next we have quadratic equation. Factorize it and make it two factors. Again use partial fraction. So d and e I am leaving it to you, so that I expect you people to try, and in my next session I will be continuing with d and e. Today 3 problems whatever I have done, all are equally important. They are compulsory questions. That type of questions linked with partial fractions are always important. Thanks for attending. I will see you in my next session. Thank you.